guys, good morning. So it's Saturday 7:30 in the morning and I am on my way to Disney. I know. But I am not going to the parks. I am actually heading to Disney Springs. They are having an event for World of Disney. It's World of Disney grand opening. If you've never been to Disney before, this is the biggest store that you can find here in Walt Disney World. Also, I am celebrating the fact that I woke up today and it's less than 70 degrees in Orlando.
Is in, and so it is my pleasure to welcome all of you this morning to Disney Springs. We are so excited to have you here for the grand reveal of the newly reimagined World of Disney store. For those of you, probably most of you have been to this space previously. Hopefully you felt that it's a lot more open. Our hope is that it's going to make the shopping experience so much more enjoyable and easily accessible for all of our guests that are visiting us here at World of Disney in Disney Springs. This is the world's largest Disney merchandise store. Thank you so much. Of course, whatever you're going to. In celebration of Mickey's 90th birthday, we developed a couple of collections that are actually debuting here at World of Disney. And probably the most exciting, and which I'm sporting today, is great. So we've got three unique pieces of headwear that we developed for the collection that I'm super excited about. One is this amazing baseball cap with the Mickey Mouse Club patch on the front. It's got great ears, so there's sun protection for you during the day when you're out in the parks, but it's super cute and fun, a great easy way to wear your ears. And my favorite part, if you're posting on social media, everyone loves to take their pictures in front of the castle with their Spirit jersey, so what's on the back is almost as important as what's on the front now. So on the back we've embroidered official Mouseketeer. Oh, so cute. Mickey's 2, this is a great trinket dish. Celebrating Mickey Mouse Club, great to put your rings or your jewelry or your keys in. We love this item. We have pins as well. There's a few, but this is my favorite. Who's the leader of the club? It's for holiday. The first is our sort of traditional red and green snowflake mini headband with crushed velvet ears and a little bit of bling on the ears with the snowflake. We love this. It's classic and timeless and really easy to wear for the holidays with traditional Christmas colors. We also have this one, which is probably my personal favorite. Really elegant, a little bit more upscale. It's got the caviar sequin ears and our new plaid that is going to be featured in a lot of the apparel and accessories merchandise as well. So if you're looking to dress the part from head to toe, you can do that and you'll match, but a really elegant updated design. And then my favorite part, it says Merry and Bright on the side. Oh my God. And probably the most fun in the collection, we always have to do something with novelty sweaters. You're going to see some great novelty sweaters. I'll show you some in a minute. We want to do a headband as well. So these pom-poms are a really big trend right now. You see the sweater, kind of the Fair Isle sweater pattern, and a little ear hat ornament, just again as another wink and nod to our tradition. Get ready. Wow.
No,
so if you're going to a novelty sweater party and you need a new outfit, I love this because it's kind of a tunic length, so you're wearing it with leggings. Really fun and easy to wear. We love this item. Isn't this fun? You can just hear it throughout the park, right? It just gets you in the spirit. This one is especially fun this year though. It lights up and says the happiest holiday, which of course the happiest holiday is always at Walt Disney World. And then probably the most ridiculous and amazing item that we did this year is our light up reindeer Mickey baseball hat. You'll see that they have little ornaments that are hanging from the ears that are actually winks and nods to our attractions.
Definitely my favorite collection is the Mickey Mouse Club collection. It is vintage, it has a great vibe to it, and it's perfect for Mickey Mouse birthday that is coming up soon. Hi there, Mickey.
My role on this project actually was to develop a flavor of magic that complemented this background story for Springs, for the Walt Disney store here at Springs. Story for this store, actually, what the inspiration for it goes back to something like this. In 1925, this building was erected because there was a growing need for an indoor farmers market for the Springs community. And a place that farmers could bring their produce and that the community could come in and buy stuff. And that went really, really well for about 25 years. And then as the American shopping experience started to change a little bit, people stopped coming, people went away, the building became actually empty at some point. And until a group of animators came through and thought, hey, this is a great place to build an animation studio. We should have an East Coast Disney, we should put our East Coast Disney animation studio. And that's what happened. And so for the next 35 years, they worked out of this building, creating some of our most favorite featured animations, some of Walt's most famous animators have been through. That went for like 35 years, like I say. And when they left, they actually left behind a lot of artifacts and pieces that had magic left in them. The building was empty again for a little while, which worked out because there was another desire to turn this place into a shopping center. So World of Disney opened up. And actually, at the beginning of this year, they wanted to pay homage to those animators and all the fantastic work that they have done. They left behind were like paint jars, sketches, posters, things like that. And so what you see behind you here is an ink and paint jar shelf. And as we put this up on the wall, we realized there was a little bit of magic left in this as well. And if you watch closely, you'll see the magic try to get out of the jar and transform into a pixie dust, and it runs around trying to find something to enchant.
If you think about it, really what our store design team did is they sat back and they said, what is the story of World of Disney? And what should that story be is we reimagine this space for the future. What I really love about it is the merchandise is the star of the show. So as a product developer, that's amazing. Because all the great stuff that my team works on, I see really come to life. If you think about, we love the color millennial pink, and then how do we bring that together and tell just a great pink story in this space for both girls or adults or however we want to do it. Or Princess Behind Me. What's great about this space is that we have all of the technology, and you've seen a few of the spaces with technology in it as you walk through. So really what the back wall does and what the projection does is it brings the stories of the Disney princesses to life. Holiday is. So that room is everything Disney holiday, from family dressing to the great Jingle Bell necklace. However, come January, we'll be able to change out all of those projections and we're going to tell a completely different story in there.
Hi, I'm Steve, and I'm here at World of Disney for our grand reopening, and I'm going to talk a little bit today about one of my favorite new collections. We're debuting at the World of Disney. This is the Mickey Mouse Club collection. It's a nice throwback collection to 1955. That vintage style has been reimagined for today's audience. I love this plush, and it has that Mickey Mouse name, just like the Mouseketeers wore in 1955. But there's a couple of other things I want to show you around the corner here. Down here. The nice part about World of Disney is a very open space. You can see a lot of different you'll be able to see through the entire shop, but there's a lot of different featured spaces. So these are areas where we can really spotlight different collections and really make the merchandise the star of the show. So if you come over here to this Mickey Mouse Club display, you're going to notice a couple of things. One, giant ear hat with the Mickey Mouse Club intro that's playing behind here. You're going to hear the music behind it, but then there's some really just fun apparel, accessories, things that really can outfit the entire family. And you take a look over here. One of my favorites is the ear hat, because this is such a classic item, but inside it has been reimagined here with this whole liner that really gives a nod to the original Mickey Mouse Club. Who's the leader of the club? A nice nod to Officer Mickey's 90th anniversary coming up here in November. It is embroiderable, so you can put embroidery on the back of this as well. So we have ear hats for here, and then for the headbands, which have been so popular, we added a small ear hat to this as well. So again, it's a nice fashionable way. I love the fleece jackets that they have, other types of apparel that are for adults and kids that really give just a nice nod to the one and only Mickey Mouse. And again, we're debuting these items here. You're going to find them at other shops eventually throughout Walt Disney World and also on shopdisney.com. But please come out and see us. We'd love to see you.
Walt Disney World Imagineers started to work on the reimagining of World of Disney. They uncovered even more hidden Disney magic. You see, this space used to be an old farmer's market. That is until a group of young artists and designers turned this place into a bustling Disney animation studio. Since then, we've been able to uncover all the magic they left behind and harness it into something special that all the guests can enjoy through drawings, animations, and surprises around every corner. Here with me today, I have two Disney executives to tell you more about the reimagining of World of Disney. First, it is my honor to introduce to you the Vice President of Disney Springs. Everyone, please help me welcome Matt Simon.
Good morning, Disney Springs, and thank you so much for joining us on this momentous occasion, and thank you for that wonderful introduction. Over the past few years, Disney Springs has gone through a complete transformation to become the premier shopping, dining, and entertainment destination in the world. And today, we are so thrilled to open the World of Disney, the largest collection of Disney merchandise in the world. And none of this would have been possible without the incredible cast who has made this happen. They have worked tirelessly. You all are amazing, and we cannot thank you enough for making this happen for us. You have worked tirelessly to make today happen, and without you, none of this is possible. Thank you.
So powerful that it could even bring your favorite Disney characters to life. Mickey Mouse. Now, I have also invited a few more friends to help officially open the World of Disney. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Kevin Bryant and Alicia Kelly and our World of Disney cast members. Don't our cast members look fabulous in their newly designed costumes? Well, now that we are all here, Matt, Justin, will you please do the honors?
I would be honored. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the World of Disney.